Hey, hi guys, welcome to Finster Alpha Trading Strategies. You all know that Bajaj Finance has already reversed a lot, almost 6.88% or 7% odd rally it has given today. We are going to take the example of Bajaj Finance, its level, and the trading setup that we had for this trade today. Okay, so what you have to do as a precursor before you take a trade is, because you already know that Bajaj Finance has fallen a lot from 3700 odd levels and it tested 3000 odd levels couple of times. Okay, so first thing that you should be noting down for Bajaj Finance is what was the today's low. It's 2994. Okay, let me show you a chart that I made yesterday. This was the chart that I made yesterday after market close to identify the levels here. As it's mentioned, if we break and sustain 2990 on weekly, we will be entering a 1000 rupees range on 5 years weekly chart. The lower range is at 1910. So there is no need to be worried or no need to be scared as such, because yesterday also stock reversed from almost 2996. Today also low was 2994, so it was first indication for you that probably 2990 is going to be respected, right? So the first thing that you got and noted down is the level, which is 2990. Then you went to your terminal and you noticed that today's low was 2994, right? Today's low was 2994. What you should have done immediately after it crossed and sustained, let's say even 3100. Okay, so go to the Bajaj Finance chart and pull a daily chart. So you can see that this is a daily chart, this is a candlestick chart. Everybody can see candles, everybody can understand and interpret candles, patterns, support levels, and so on. So we are not going to use candlestick pattern to identify such trades. It is extremely important, if you want to be a profitable trader, that you stay one step ahead of the retail traders, right? So what I'm going to show you is a setup. That setup is made up of a Renko chart instead of a candlestick chart. We are going to use a super trend with a period of 7 and multiplier of 3. We are also going to use Aroon crossover with a period of 5, and you can also see that I'm already using SMA of 14. Okay, so note these points down as you watch this video. Let us change the time frame to 15 minutes, right? And I've already have a Renko and all the indicators plotted here. Let me close this. Now, as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart. The reason 15-minute charts are important is because you are a day trader. You want to benefit from the short bursts that stock is experiencing so that you can maximize your gain, right? So आज सुबह जब stock ने 2994 test किया, it was probably at this level or probably a less than that. ठीक है, 2994 एक freak level था मेरे हिसाब से, तो 2990 was respected. We did not go long here. So the moment I saw that, okay, this is a super trend, okay, and then there are SMAs plotted here. So the moment you identify that stock price has moved upward, it has crossed all the indicators, SMA, super trend, everything. So let's say the stock price is at this level 3084 or even let's say 3100. It was a clear sign for you to enter the trade. If you can see, this is the Aroon crossover I was talking about. So the way I have set up is, according to my setup, the moment this red line crosses over very significantly, and at the same time green line crosses below again very significantly, and there is a very distinctive crossover, okay, that is one of the indicators for me to go long in the stock. So you can see that this is where the crossover is again approximately 3033, and stock rallied from that point onward to 3105, right? So ये whipsaw kind of a thing था, but here also we identified a trend. So 15-minute time frame, Renko chart, super trend of 7,3, SMA of 14, and Aroon crossover of 5, right? This is the trade setup. The moment you identified that the Renko brick has closed above this level, that is 3073 or 3083, right? This is where you should be getting in the trade, okay? इसके बाद सिर्फ इतना था that you have to place a stop loss just below a brick. okay, यहाँ पे probably where it just cross over the SMA and super trend. So 3064, 3050 could have been a decent stop loss as well again. ठीक है, so you enter the trade at here and you basically trail the trade. You can see that आप अगर आज 3100 पे भी अगर enter करते तो it would have given a fantastic returns. We are already at, you know, high made is 3265. So the intention of showing this is only to explain you guys कि हाँ आप लोग कैसे थोड़ा सा अपना ट्रेडिंग सेटअप यूनिकली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं rather than following patterns, rather than following what is the support level, let's say what is the demand and supply. आज के टाइम पे everybody can see or at least try to see what is the demand, where is the supply, कोई फ्लैग बन रहा है क्या, कोई हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बन रहा है क्या. सो एवरीबडी नोज दिस, एवरीबडी नोज हाउ टू इंटरप्रेट कैंडल्स, राइट. सो व्हाट इज एन एडवांटेज इन दैट? अगर you as a trader you are not aware how to stay a step ahead of a retail traders, then probably your profit and your trading is not going to head anywhere, right. So the importance of this today's video is to explain you कि आप 15 minute time frame पे कैसे ऐसे short trades identify कर सकते हैं. On the contrary, you may also say that okay, there is a high probability that this trade may go downward also, but hey, it's that probability is there with every trade that you take, right. So as a trader, what is important for you is you cut your stop losses with agility. Okay, what does I mean is you do not wait and carry your intraday position into your portfolio. Never do that. Okay, so even if it's a whipsaw, even if today let's say Bajaj Finance could have fallen from that level, but you had nothing to lose, probably 30-40 points to lose, but you almost got 200 points on the higher side. So the risk reward of 1:4, this is a fantastic risk reward, right. So practice this trade setup, Renko, super trend with period 7 and multiplier of 3, SMA of 14, and use a Aroon crossover with period of 5. The moment you see a decisive crossover in your Aroon setup and everything is in your favor, get into trade with confidence. Do not use very close stop losses, because stocks like Bajaj Finance, they can correct 20-30 rupees on either side in a jiffy, right. So do not use stop losses very close. That's again part of the trade management strategy that we will discuss in some another video. I have also discussed how can one use a spread analysis to trade Bajaj Finance or probably Procter and Gamble Healthcare like scripts, जहाँ पे buyer and seller में spread बहुत बड़ा होता है. So how can you use spread analysis to support the thesis whether your trade is right or wrong, right? So if you see that everything आपका setup सही है, you have gotten into trade, but if the spread is not in your favor, probably that is an indication, that is a negative indication that probably this trade, no matter कितना technical setup पे सही है, probably in live market the spread is not favoring it. So you can change your stop losses or you can exit the trade immediately. What is important for a trader is to survive one more day, right? So I hope this second video really put some light. You learn something out of it. Intention of creating these short videos is only one thing, that how can we stay ahead of typical retail traders and how can we avoid big losses. We may have, let's say, 4 consecutive loss trades, right? But if your stop losses are short, if you're cutting your trade short, probably you will have losses of 1,000 rupees every day for 4 days. That is 4,000 rupees loss. But if you identify one such trade today that we identified in Bajaj Finance at nearly 3,000 odd level or 3,050 level भी आप अगर enter करते, तो you would have earned 200 points on the higher side. You carry your trade, you don't square off your trade, you let your profit maximize. So probably this would have been, अगर आप 100 shares भी खरीद लेते around 3,000 or 3,100, so you would have been in a profit of nearly 15,000 today. So 4,000 loss over a period of 4 days against 15,000 rupees profit in one single day. That is what we want. We want to have our profits as big as possible. We want to restrict our losses to as small as possible. So this is one of the videos with a live example of the trading setup that I use. We will come up with more such informative videos in coming days. I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.